Welcome to another unboxing. This is Chris Lambert, and today we have one more thing we missed for the Marylin Thornhill from the Wednesday TV series from Netflix 2022. We have one more pair of glasses, so she'll have a total of 3 glasses to pick from. I think I like the see-through greenish blue ones. Well, this one doesn't want to open that I ordered. This is the original one I ordered. It's hard to pick these glasses out. This one is more the shape. The cat-eye glasses go out really wide, but her glasses are blue, bluish green, maybe see-through. So that's the she can pick whichever glasses she wants. Blue, green, the blue, or the black. Maybe even paint those. So that is the rest of the Marylin Thornhill costume. Just a quick video just to let you see that I found these. I'm buying so many things, waiting for everything to come in the mail, and then you tend to lose things that way. So one more pair of Marylin Thornhill glasses. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Also watch my other channel. Well, this is the same channel, but also watch my Walmart videos. And we'll be back with another Halloween costume video unwrapping. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment if you have any comments. I'll see you at the next one.